Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you what I received in my Grove Collaborative haul here. So I know what I bought, but I haven't unpacked it or anything, but I wanted to show you. They always make these little notes on the box with my name on it. I just think that's a real nice touch. It says, "We love you, Kelly. We heart you, Kelly." So, you know, I think that's a nice touch for Grove to do. It's more like, it makes it more personal, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I bought at Grove, and I will tell you the prices as we go along. So, first thing, and I will have to use my glasses for this. If you followed me at all, you know I get contacts and I can see far away, but I just can't see up close anymore. That's over and done with. I don't know. It's either or, I guess. But anyway, I got this cleansing gel. It is with argan stem cells. It's supposed to be good. It's citrus for, you know, it says clear skin. I bought this actually for my son. So we'll see. It says it's for oily and overactive skin, congested pores. I've never heard of that, congested pores. I've heard of clogged pores, but they're using the word congested, which I think is kind of different. I don't know if I was, oh, it's so bright there. And then it says uneven tone and texture and blemish prone skin. So I thought this would be really good for him. And I bought this cleansing gel for $14.99, $15 for a cleansing gel. It is big though. We are going to be going on a cruise pretty soon, and I do not think this, no, I mean, this is way too big to even bring on a plane. So this will have to stay home, but this is what it looks like. Very nice. All right, so that's the first item. Brooklyn's over here eating the box. You can probably see her kind of over there. Brooklyn, why do you do this? Okay, and then another item that I got, again, this is a repurchase, is these tree-free reusable paper towels. These are like cloth. You guys that have used reusable paper towels before probably know what they feel like. Grove Collaborative is the one that introduced me to them, and I only bought one before, one roll, but doesn't look like there's a whole bunch. But believe me, this lasts a long time. At the very beginning of using these, you know, my family was throwing them away because they didn't know they were reusable. But after a while, when everyone understood that, you know, you can dry your hands with one of these and then, you know, kind of hang it up somewhere and then dry, you know, just reuse them. And after a while, it became more of a habit. So Brooklyn tried to steal this and run. For those of you that don't know, Brooklyn is my little Yorkie. She likes to take stuff from me and run as fast as she can. She also loves to eat cardboard, and there she goes. You know, mostly she just chews on it and walks away, but there was one time when she did kind of swallow a little piece, so I really do have to keep my eye on her. I don't know why she's just so addicted to eating that. Okay, but the Seedling by Grove reusable paper towels, it's a roll of 20 sheets and it's $12.95. Okay, then I got this 7th generation disinfectant spray. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Why can't I say it? I know what I'm trying to say. So this actually came with other items. So let me see. This, and I think this 7th generation hand wash right here. So this and this came together. And then it also said it plus a free gift. What's my free gift? Must be this little thing here. No, that's not it. I don't see a free gift. I sure don't see my free gift. Okay, but it says the 7th generation hand wash free and clear 12 ounce plus a free gift. So this was $2.16 and this was $2.83. I think that's what they meant. Like you buy one and you get one for free. I think that's what it is because, you know, the prices on these and what I'm seeing online is, you know, I think that was what it was. All right, so for both of those things, cost me $4.99. All right, Brooklyn, let's not eat the box. Then I bought this 7th generation dishwasher detergent gel. Usually I buy the tablets. You know, they're not called tablets, but you know, the pods. It's easier and quicker. But you know, I was just thinking that we'd probably get more, maybe perhaps more washes if we used a liquid, because I don't think we have to use as much. I could be wrong, but
she's chewing on it. Yeah,
she's chewing on that. I'm watching Brooklyn there. But this is $6.99 for this, and net weight 42 ounces. It says, trying to find where it said anything about like how many loads of dishes you could do, and I'm sure it says it somewhere here, but I don't know, but I don't see it. But it's free and clear, so it has nothing in it that is harmful. So $6.99 for that. And then this is for my traveling. They are little travel bottle things. I've got to do something with Brooklyn here. I'm going to have to just keep kind of making her get off of the couch because she's just way too much eating this cardboard box. I'm getting worried. But these are reusable travel bottles. And so the reusable travel bottles, it's a set. It came to $12.95. So just got a little distracted here because I'm not pushing her off. I'm just kind of, you know, very carefully kind of moving her off the couch as she jumps on. Right now she's in my lap, so, and not eating the box. So that's okay right now. I just worry about her a lot. I'm trying to get the box open of the travel things that I bought. Here it is. All right, so it is a 4-piece set, I believe. Let me see, does it say 4-piece set? Yes. So it's got one of these here. These are glass, by the way. They're not, this is glass. They're not those plasticky things. And then we've got this here. They're all the same thing. They're just different colors. And it's, I believe they're pumps. If memory serves, I bought the pumps. Yeah, it's like a pump bottle, all of them. So there's 3 of these, one in pink, one in green, and one in like a baby blue, or maybe it is, I think, a baby blue. It looks kind of white, but I think it's like a baby blue color. Brooklyn's like a 2-year-old. My 2-year-old is here unboxing with me. So, yeah, I remember those days of having a 2-year-old. No, thank you. I've had 4 2-year-olds before. All right, and those, did I say? I probably did. $12.95 for those 4. And then I bought this Grove kitchen towel in navy. I didn't actually buy this. This was a free gift. If you are a member of Grove Collaborative, which is $19 a year, and you purchase so many products, whatever, in one order, like $30, $35, whatever the minimum is, they will give you a free gift, I think 4 times a year. And I do want to say that because Grove is $19 a year, I still pay for all this stuff. It's not $19 a year and you get everything for free. I just want to clear that up. This was free because I am a member, okay? You don't have to be a member to shop at Grove. You can just shop there. It doesn't really matter. But if you do become a member, you do have perks. This is one of the perks. Okay, so just wanted to clear that up. Also, I do have an affiliate code or link in my description box. So if you do want to check Grove out, I believe they're still doing that 5-piece Miss Myers set for free. That's kind of what got me into Grove Collaborative, was I used somebody's link and got a free 5-piece Mrs. Myers set, which came with like a caddy, and it came with dish soap and sponges, and I mean just lots of things that were handy in the kitchen. And I'm like, this is really nice. Cleaners. So, you know, I could have just gotten that for free and just stopped. But then I started like browsing their website, seeing other things that, you know, we use anyway, like, you know, dishwasher detergent and soap for, you know, the clothes, hand soap. I mean, there's just so much stuff. And there's other stuff. They have makeup, they have palettes, skincare. So there's lots of things to choose from at Grove Collaborative. And towels. So I'm not sure, they come like this. So let me go ahead and we'll see kind of how big. I mean, it's a dish towel, so I don't think it's going to be too big, but these are a nice size towels. Wow. Nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but
it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. And it's made very, very nice. And I got these for free.
Nice.
So I got 2 of them. 2 of them for free. I mean, I think it's worth it to be a member, but you know, it's only $20 a year to be a member. But you know, again, you don't have to be a member to shop there. They also have pet products. Yes, they do. I bought this, it's a dental gel. This is for my Yorkie, and it is $4.15. It is just a little tube, but it should last a while because the directions say all I need to do, and I read it online before I bought it, is put some on my finger. No toothbrush, no doggy toothbrush, you know, that you put on your finger and brush, just your finger. And then you just kind of roll it over her teeth. And this is supposed to cleanse their teeth. This is veterinarian approved, and it's all natural. And I thought, you know, this would be really good. I want to try this out because I want to keep little Brooklyn in tip-top shape, even her teeth. So I believe that was all I bought. Oh, did I tell you? I already told you how much that cost. But, okay, and then I got a piece of paper. What is this piece of paper? Brooklyn, something about a sun basket, $100 off. I think it's like a food service. It says yum your way to better health on this side. I've always wanted to try these like food service things, but they're just so expensive. And you know, I have a family of 5 to feed. It's not like oh, Brooklyn. Yeah, a 2-year-old.
It's legal.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, she grabbed, you know, the wrapping that they put on top, these things. Mm-hmm. She's got one and ran with it and started to chew on it. And she's just having a blast with my unboxing today. So that is it for my Grove Collaborative haul. Again, I do have a link in my description box. If you use my link, I think I get credit towards, you know, other products. I don't get cash or anything. You know, I think all YouTubers that have, you know, shopped at Grove have some sort of referral link in their description boxes. So make sure if you do go to check out Grove that you use somebody's referral link, because it sure doesn't hurt us It doesn't hurt you. It's all, you know, it's just nice to do that. I used somebody's referral link, like I said, when I first started Grove. I don't remember whose. I think it was Arkansas Gals, actually, but I'm not sure. I don't remember. But Arkansas Gals, by the way, is another YouTuber. She has her channel, and she does a lot of like cooking and unboxing. She has a son and a daughter, and she oftentimes will do hauls with clothing, subscription boxes. So that's always fun to watch. But anyway, everybody, thank you so much for taking your time to watch me. I know I keep looking over there. I'm so worried about Brooklyn and all this cardboard. But thank you so much for watching. Please, if you would give this video a thumbs up. It's like a little button down there, here. It looks like this. And if you press it, that helps me. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great, great day.